Bullish, bullish, bullish. Pablo just posted in our Discord. Yesterday we put out a video about the VIX tool, the strongest buy signal that we can get. Today, Pablo shares, heck yeah, VIX tool. Not only was there a buy signal last week, but we just got another one today. It's not uncommon for us to get two back-to-back VIX trading signals. In 2022, this is the second time we're seeing double signals. We didn't see this at all in 2021. We saw two during 2020. The first was during late January, early Feb 2020, then in June 8th and 12th, 2020. Each time presenting a tremendous buying opportunity. But here's the thing, tax flows are over now. Now it's time for the Treasury to spend all that money back into the economy. That's what usually happens right after tax collection. And now the Treasury's account is nearly $1 trillion. On the week of April 13th, the Treasury received $260 billion in individual income taxes. This has been the highest ever individual tax collection. Just look at how huge this tax collection was relative to the past 20 years. So this explains some of the selling we've been seeing. Pablo continues to say, the working thesis here being that Treasury is now going to return those funds into the economy by spending that money. Dollars go away during tax time. Dollars come back into the economy shortly after. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Thanks for watching, guys. Learn more in the video comments. My name is Jonathan Rose, owner, Masters in Trading.